Hello and very welcome everyone to this session of the Current Affairs 25th January 2025. In today's session, we are going to discuss the things that happened on this day that will be important for us to note down in our notebooks and that will help us in our exams. So let's start and see what are the things we can learn. Before we start, the images, text, and other materials used in our presentations are for educational purpose only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners. If you're the owner and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathee@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the same. So first we have is about the Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog unveils Fiscal Health Index 2025 in New Delhi. So that will be about that what are the type of money has been put into the health index of our country. So let's see about it. So Niti Aayog introduced the inaugural Fiscal Health Index 2025 on 24th January 2025 in New Delhi. The comprehensive report evaluates the fiscal health of 18 major Indian states. It aims to guide policy reforms for sustainable and resilient economic growth. The index provides a comparative analysis of states' financial performance. The report is expected to encourage healthy competition among states in fiscal management. So that is about it. So basically, this is a kind of an index that will help us getting the report of the fiscal health of 18 major Indian states. The major thing is that the sustainable and resilience economic growth is the guide particular thing that is under the observation. Another thing is the comparative analysis of the state's financial performance. Then the other point is about the report is expected to encourage the healthy competition among the state in fiscal management, that how the fiscal management should be done. So this is regarding the health management of the fiscal policies of the state. So do remember that. Let's move to the other one. So next one is from agriculture and environment. India's ISNR setting global standards in sustainable rubber. So rubber is a type of a thing that you will find in Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu region. That means a tropical region. So a new type of standard has been introduced. Let's see about it. So India unveiled the Indian Sustainable Natural Rubber Initiative on 21st January 2025 in Kottayam, Kerala. The initiative aims to establish new global benchmarks in sustainable rubber production. George Kurian, Minister of State for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry, Dairying, and Minority Affairs, graced the launch event. Tiruvanchur Radhakrishnan, members of the Legislative Assembly, presided over the event. Notable attendees included G. Anil Kumar, Vice Chairman of the Rubber Board, and N. Hari, member of the Rubber Board. So that is about the Indian Sustainable Natural Rubber, and that is about the global standards in sustainable rubber. That what exactly it is all about. So recently, India has developed this initiative of introducing the ISNR and INR in Kerala, Kottayam. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh flags off Sanjay, the battlefield surveillance system. Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh flagged off Sanjay, the battlefield surveillance system from South Block, New Delhi. Sanjay is an indigenously developed system, marking a major milestone in India's defense technology. The system is designed to enhance battlefield transparency and improve situational awareness. It aims to optimize intelligence collection, transforming the battlefield in modern warfare. Sanjay strengthens the surveillance capabilities of the Indian Army. So, do remember that battlefield surveillance system has been introduced and launched by Mr. Rajnath Singh, the defense minister of our country. And this will help in the transparency of the battlefield and also create awareness about the situations happening in these particular things. And apart from that, if we talk about, so modern warfare battlefield is also being transformed. So for that purpose also, the intelligence collection should be optimized, and for that purpose it will help a lot. Then the Thailand celebrates marriage equality milestone. So Thailand became the first Southeast Asian nation to legalize same-sex marriage on 23rd January 2025. I hope you remember that Indian Supreme Court has abolished of the same-sex marriage around two years back. The Marriage Equality Act was overwhelming, passed by Parliament in June 2024. King Maha Vajira Longkorn ratified the act in September 2024. The new law grants same sex couples the same legal, financial, and medical rights as heterosexual couples. This milestone marks a significant victory for LGBTQ rights in the region. So, do remember that Thailand celebrates the marriage equality milestone, and this has become the first Southeast Asian country to legalize the same sex marriage. So let's do some questions on the things we have learned so far. So when and where did Niti Aayog unveils the inaugural Fiscal Health Index 2025? Options are December 24, 2024 in Mumbai, the January 24, 2025 in New Delhi, February 24, 2025 in Kolkata, or March 24, 2025 in Chennai. So I guess this first point is very clear to all of you. Answer is B option, January 24, 2025 in New Delhi. Let's see more on this. So according to the text, Niti Aayog introduced the inaugural Fiscal Health Index 2025 on 24 January 2025 in New Delhi. This is explicitly stated in the first bullet point of the given information. So answer is very clear. So answer is 24 January 2025. When and where the Indian Sustainable Natural Rubber Initiative unveiled? Options are December 25, 2024 in Mumbai, Maharashtra, January 21st, 2025 in Kottayam, Kerala, February 1st, 2025 in New Delhi, or March 15, 2025 in Guwahati, Assam. And I guess the point is quite clear to all of you. The answer is B option, January 21st, 2025 in Kottayam, Kerala. Let's see more on this. So according to the text, India unveiled the Indian Sustainable Natural Rubber Initiative on 21st January 2025 in Kottayam, Kerala. This initiative aims to establish new global benchmarks in sustainable rubber production. The launch event was attended by notable figures including George Kurian, Minister of State for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Minority Affairs, and was presided over by Thiruvanchur Radhakrishnan, member of the Legislative Assembly. So do remember, ISNR is Indian Sustainable Natural Rubber. Next one is, what is the main purpose of President Trump's executive order regarding cryptocurrency? Options are to ban cryptocurrencies in the United States, to establish a national cryptocurrency, to reshape the nation's cryptocurrency regulations, to restrict cryptocurrency trading. So I guess this point is quite clear, and answer is C option, to reshape the nation's cryptocurrency regulations. Let's see more on this. So the executive order is issued by President Trump aims to reshape the nation's cryptocurrency regulations. This is evident from the first point in the text, which states US President Donald Trump issued an executive order to reshape the nation's cryptocurrency regulations. The order establishes a cryptocurrency working group to propose new digital asset regulations and explore the creation of the national cryptocurrency stockpile, all with the goal of making the US a leader in the cryptocurrency space. So, do remember, President Trump has signed an executive order to reshape the nation's cryptocurrency regulations. Another one, what is the primary purpose of the Sanjay battlefield surveillance system as mentioned in the text? Options are to improve communication between military units, to enhance battlefield transparency and situational awareness, to provide aerial support during combat operations, to train soldiers in advanced warfare techniques. I hope this point is quite clear. And the answer for this question will be B option, to enhance battlefield transparency and situational awareness. Let's see more on this. So, according to the text, the primary purpose of this Sanjay battlefield surveillance system is to enhance battlefield transparency and improve situational awareness. The system is designed to optimize intelligence collection and transform the battlefield in modern warfare, thereby strengthening the surveillance capabilities of the Indian Army. Another one, when did Thailand become the first Southeast Asian nation to legalize same-sex marriage? Options are June 2024, September 2024, January 23rd, 2025, or 1st January 2025. And I guess the answer is quite clear to all. Answer will be C option, 23rd January 2025. Let's see more on this. So, according to the text, Thailand became the first Southeast Asian nation to legalize same-sex marriage on January 23rd, 2025. While the Marriage Equality Act was passed by Parliament in June 2024, the ratified by King Maha Vajiralongkorn in September 2024. The actual legalization and implementation of same-sex marriage occurred on 23rd January 2025, marking this as the correct date for when Thailand achieved this milestone. And that's it in this session, guys. I hope you learned a lot of things in this session of current affairs that will help you in your exams. I will meet you in the next session. Till the time we meet, bye bye. Take care, everyone. See you soon.